Hi everyone, this is Betty McKnit, and I am making this video today about curling edges on the 6-Day Kid blanket. So I have my Cake Mix Sunshine and Money blanket here that I'm working on, and you can see that my edges curl, and this is a common problem that a lot of crocheters have. So we have been telling people that if their edges curl a lot, that they can chain 4 instead of 3, and that will help. So where the pattern says chain 3, turn, and chain 3, chain 4 instead. Okay, so that does help, but you can still see I've been chaining 4 on this blanket, and you can see that I do still have some curl. Quite a bit, actually. And so I'm going to have to definitely put an edge on my blanket to alleviate that and do some blocking. Okay, so that will help chaining 4, and you need to do your swatch. I know I'm like, nobody ever wants to swatch, but you need to do your swatch, and you need to work your blanket for a little while to see if your edges curl and if you're one of those people that needs to chain 4 instead of 3. Okay, another tip we got just the other day in the Facebook group is about working the edges of the blanket, the last stitch of the edge, from the back instead of from the front. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So this is the last stitch of my row. So normally I would make a double crochet. I would insert my hook from the front to the back to make my double crochet stitch. But we had a member of the 6-Day Kid Blanket Facebook group, her name is Marion D'Ambrosio, suggested this wonderful, wonderful tip that works great. So instead of going from front to back to make that last stitch, I'm going to insert my hook from the back to the front and pull up a loop for my double crochet and complete the stitch like that. So since she made that post, I've been working my edges like that. You can see where I started doing it all the way back to the green, and I don't have any curling. Okay, and then before that, where I was doing it the old way, just chaining 4 and making a regular double crochet the normal way, I have curling. So I can see plainly that she gave us just a little golden nugget with that tip. So if your edges are curling, you can work your edge stitches per Marion from the back to the front. Thank you so much, Marion, for your wonderful tip.